Ashita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a get to know me tag. So a few days back I posted this story on my Instagram account asking you guys to send in some questions. So I have received quite a few questions on Instagram and a few more questions on LinkedIn as well, which I keep on getting randomly. So I thought of doing a Q&A slash get to know me video. So first of all, thank you everyone whosoever sent me the questions. Having said that, let's get into the video. So I have received a few basic questions as well. So let's just start with the most basic questions. So the first one being, what is your name? My name is Ashita Bhyana. Yes, you heard it right. A lot of people think that it's a tongue twister, but no, it's my name. It's Ashita Bhyana. The second question is, what do you do? So I'm a chartered accountant. I work with a consultancy firm. So I work Monday to Friday, and on weekends I try to make these videos because I love making them. So yeah, that's what I really do. Next question is your favorite movie of all time. Any Shah Rukh Khan movie. I really like Dear Zindagi. Next question is, hi Ashita, so since when do you start this YouTube channel? And what inspired you to take up this line of making contents in? I receive a lot of questions like this. So I started my YouTube channel in April, just when the lockdown started. I was thinking about starting a channel from a very long time, like since a year, but just wasn't getting enough time, or I would say I wasn't taking out time to start this channel. But during the lockdown I thought, why not give it a try. So here I am, and what inspired me to take up this line of making content is I really like talking about these topics, and I think these topics are really relevant, and most people don't give a lot of importance to them while they should. So a lot of my friends used to come up to me with their problems, and we used to talk it out, and then they used to say that they really feel good after talking to me, like I counsel them really well, and they actually suggested that I should take it up to a certain level, like I should do something about it because I'm good at it. So I thought, why not start my YouTube channel and start making these videos. And I wasn't really sure about the response that I would get, but I've been lucky enough to get a really great response on my videos. So thank you all of you who watch my video, who likes the video and leaves the comments below, because your comments actually makes my day. So yeah, that's the story of me starting this channel. The next question is, how did you plan to start your YouTube channel with corporate job? So as I've mentioned that I'm a CA by profession and I work with a consultancy firm. So I like work Monday to Friday 10 to 12 hours a day, and then on weekend I make these videos. So how I started this channel along with my corporate job is, a lot of people say that one should follow their passion. Like they say that once you make your passion your profession, you won't have to work a day in your life. I sort of disagree with this thought, because I think passion is something which is meant to give you immense happiness, satisfaction and contentment. But when you make your passion into your profession, you just get into that rat race, I would say, because this is such a competitive world, and to earn your bread and butter you have to put in a lot of efforts to it, and you have to meet a lot of deadlines, you have to give a lot of quality deliverables. So while doing all this, somewhere your passion just start getting dying, and that I didn't want. Although I love my job, I really enjoy working with the consultancy firm, and it involves a lot of challenging work and gives me a lot of exposure, which I really like. But I had this passion of coming here and speaking to you guys and making these videos. So that's how I plan to start my channel. because I wanted something to look beyond work, something which I am excited about. When I wrap up my work on Friday, there should be something which I look up to, like doing on weekend. So that's how like I started this channel, and I'm really enjoying it. The next question that I got is आपका contact number. Similar to this question, I've got a few more questions which are you there on Insta and FB? Do share your ID so we can get connected there. And one more question is other social media platforms in case you are using Insta. So yes, I am on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and Snapchat. All the details are mentioned in my description box below, and those are always mentioned in every video of mine. That is also mentioned in my channel description, so you can go and connect with me over there. I'll leave the handle links in the description box below. The next question is anything that can always turn your mood into good vibes. So I really like listening to music. Music is one thing that can instantly uplift my mood. Apart from that, ice cream is what just makes me so much happy. Chocolate ice cream to be precise. Next question is when you're sad or upset with your close ones, which place you usually visit to change your mood? So there's not any place where I visit, but what I do is, as I mentioned, I just listen to music. Music is something that just makes me forget all my problems for a while, and it just calms my mind so much that after that I have all of the energy to put in my heart and mind and soul into finding solutions to whatever is bothering me. So yes, listening to music is one thing that I really do whenever I feel sad or upset or frustrated or angry or hungry, like whatever is the problem, listening to music is the solution, and having ice cream and chocolate. Okay, so next question is your favorite chocolate. I like chocolate very much. Like कोई भी chocolate दे दो मेरे को सब चलेगा. I love chocolates. I really love dark chocolates. What I don't like is those crispy wafer chocolates like Munch or Perk. I don't like these kind of chocolate. Otherwise, any chocolate would do for me. The next question is how are you managing your time? This is also a question which I get asked a lot. So the answer to this would be that as I said, Monday to Friday I work, and on weekend I make these videos. So what actually just keeps me going is the fact that I cannot sit idle. Like I just cannot sit idle, and I don't like watching TV. So I don't watch TV very much. For that matter, I don't watch TV at all. I don't remember the last time I actually switched on the TV in my house. So I don't watch TV, and I can't sit idle. So actually I need something to do. So that's why I started, like I planned to make these videos, and like taking out time for myself. I would say if you are doing something which is actually making you feel happy and you're feeling productive about you, so that is something which is counted as taking time out for yourself. So whenever I like sit to film these videos and edit them, I don't feel tired at all. I actually feel blessed and joyful and happy while doing this. So yeah, that's how I'm managing my time. But yeah, a lot of time I also feel like not filming and just taking a break. So a lot of times I don't film on weekends, and I just chill, relax, sit Netflix and do like random stuff and take a break. Okay, so the next question is how do you get so much positivity in your life? I don't know, I'm just like that only, I would say. So the answer to that would be, see, we all have problems in our lives, and there are times when we get so much affected by the things that are taking place around us. Like there are situations which makes us upset or makes us feel negative about life in general, and that's okay. I mean, we are humans, we have too much emotions, so it's okay to feel that ways. I'm not saying that I don't get upset. I do get upset. I do also feel these negative thoughts or negative energies around me certain times, But the thing is, like just indulging into those negative thoughts or sadness is not going to fix things. You need to look up for solutions. So whenever I get upset or whenever I feel a negative, rather than just indulging into that emotion, because like of course I'm also a human, I also feel those emotions, but I don't indulge with them too much. Whenever I feel negative, I make a conscious effort to pull myself out of that situation, and I just try to calm my mind and try to look for solution, like try to find ways to get my life back to normal, and not just indulging with those thoughts and letting those feelings sink in. So you just need to brush off those feelings a lot, like certain times. And when you will just start doing it yourself, now you will just brush off those feelings, you will become a stronger version of yourself, and you will start deriving positive energy, positive vibes from everything that you like do, every person you meet. So embrace yourself, and always remember this thing, that whatever happens happens for a reason, and the reason is always a good reason. If you will like start believing in this thought, like from your like dil se, when you will start believing this thing now, you'll automatically become positive. Next question that we have is, if you have option to wear Indian wear or Western wear, say on occasions like festive, which you would choose? So on festives, I really like wearing Indian. Like in general also I like wearing Indian, but I feel Indian clothes are a little tricky to carry. So but like on Western, like on festive occasions, I definitely would choose Indian outfits. The next question is, are you on FB? Yes, I am, and the link is mentioned in the description box below. The next question is, where are you from, by the way? So I'm from Delhi. The next question, and a question that I've been asked a lot, is how do you get time for making these videos? So yeah, as I said, I have been sitting on the idea of starting my own channel from a very long time. Say a year back, I thought of starting my channel, even more than a year, 1.5 years ago. This idea came into my mind that I should start my channel, and since then I was just putting off this idea by trying to make myself believe that I don't have time. See, कभी भी किसी के पास टाइम नहीं होता, हमको एक्चुअली टाइम निकालना पड़ता है। और ये फैक्ट मैंने अभी, मतलब ये लेसन मैंने अभी सीखा है रिसेंटली, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई हैव लर्न दिस लेसन, दैट यू विल नेवर गेट टाइम. You would actually need to try finding out time for the things that you really want to do. So I mean, what was I doing before starting this channel? On weekends, either I was just going out, hanging out with my friends, or just sitting in my PJs and watching Netflix, watching some sort of series, eating. That's what I was doing. No, so time तो था, but उस टाइम को यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रही थी मैं. नाउ आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग दैट टाइम, सो दैट्स हाउ आई गेट टाइम टू like film these videos. The next question is, how are you so consistent in what you do? I am actually a very sincere person. Like बचपन से ही मैं ऐसी हूँ. I was always being a very sincere and very hardworking and very consistent बच्चा throughout my life, like student life also. So the reason behind this consistency is, as I said, I consider idle. Second thing which actually makes me consistent is that I want to live a life that I'm proud of. I'm not saying I want to live a life that I'm happy about, because happiness is a very broad term. So for some person, sitting idle may be happiness. Like a lot of people like sleeping. Sleeping just gives them so much of pleasure. So but the one thing is that I want to live a life that I'm proud of. So I always try to keep making efforts, and I always try to like be productive, so that when I look at my day at night, I should feel that like I should get that sense of accomplishment, that I have done something, I've not wasted my day. So this is the thought that just keeps me consistent in whatever I do. You can also like try this, just make it that habit to make yourself proud. And once you like get this habit, you will be consistent in whatever you do. I'm telling you this. This is a tried and tested fact. So try doing this. Next question is, you did CA, you started your YouTube channel, that's good. But most of CAs I have seen who started their YouTube channel placed videos or content related to their profession only. And you did out of the box things, and that's great. Thank you. What promoted you to start something out of your profession? Just curious to know. So yeah, as I said, yeah, I did CA and I have also like made a few technical videos. Sorry. So I was saying that what was I saying? Yeah, I was saying that yes, I did CA and I have actually made a few technical videos also on my channel. But as I said, I don't believe in the notion that you should make your passion your profession. But yeah, as I said, I don't believe in the notion of making your passion your profession. I like to keep those two things apart so that when I'm having a bad day at my work, I have something to look upon to. That's how I like derived this inspiration or idea of starting my channel and not linking it to something which I'm already doing. Like for 5 days of my week, I'm already working and doing things that a CA normally do. So I wanted something else. That's how I like decided to make videos and like create videos on content that is not related to my profession or CA life, but something else. Because there is a lot more to me as a person apart from the fact that I'm a CA. The next question is, and a interesting one is, would you like to visit on Terrace of India Gate like one in Half Girlfriend? So I haven't seen Half Girlfriend, so I don't know if there is something like visiting to the Terrace of India Gate. But yeah, if I would get a chance, yeah, I would love to do that. I love terrace, I love wind, coffee. Yeah, so a windy evening on a terrace with cold coffee, that would be a perfect combination. So yeah, these were the questions. Thank you so much for sending in such thoughtful, nice and fun questions. I really enjoyed answering them. I hope I did a decent job in answering the questions. If I've missed any of the questions, I'm really sorry. You can mention that question in the comments down below, or if you have any other question, you can also comment down below and I would love to answer them. So this was it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay happy, stay positive and stay motivated. Bye.